y'all. How's everyone doing? Well, I wanted to do a little bit of a haul, unboxing thingy. It's been quite a day. So first, I just want to say this is all my friends' fault. They were ones that showed me different things, and I ended up liking them. One of them, which I'll show you first, this you've seen this in the background. Oh, and I'll talk to you about this as well. Is this candle that I got from a girlfriend, and it's the name on the front is Just a Girl Who Loves Jesus, and it's made by James and Maria Organic Company. James and Maria Organic Company, and it's 16 ounces of love, non-toxic, hand-poured in the U.S. 20% all profits are donated to help low-income families establish a brighter future through renewal and education. And it's got all the normal warnings on it, but there's also a lot that talks about what this isn't. And if you want to look at all of it, you know, about the wick, about the candle itself, the fragrance, everything, you can go to James Maria Organic Co. So you'll have two C's there. James Maria Organic Co.com. And I know that because I went there and got another candle, but I couldn't find one that says Just a Girl Who Loves Jesus. So it must have been something that was specifically asked for. And on this one that I got, this was, all I could find was fragrances, nothing like that one. And so it may be that you can, if you're there in person, you can name what do you want to be on the label for the name. I don't know. I'll have to ask her. But this is a fragrance combination that I love, absolutely love, especially for fall, winter. And that is orange, cinnamon, clove. To me, oh my gosh, y'all, it's the best smell. It is fall, Thanksgiving, Christmas. I mean, I like the smell of evergreens, but this still always wins. Whenever I smell clove, it reminds me of my childhood. The cinnamon is just, it's year-round, but I especially like it in the fall and winter. And especially fall. It's my favorite time of year. Except for spring. I love spring. I hate summer. I really like everything but summer. Because in the South, it's Mosquitoville. And I'm highly reactive to mosquito bites. And they always come to me. Because I wear perfume, I guess. And I'm very sweet. Sweeter than most. So, anyway, again, this says hand-poured in Texas, 16 ounces, non-toxic, premium, 20% of all profits are donated to help low-income families educate their students with the goal of a brighter future. So that one was a little bit different, I thought. So absolutely love this. Again, if you want to try this scent, I highly recommend it if you like the fall scents. Orange, cinnamon, clove. That was the scent or fragrance that I picked, and I love it. I love it, love it, love it. Okay? So we'll just sit that back there with its brand right there. So, and again, I'll have to ask her why it says Just a Girl Who Loves Jesus. I don't know if she put that on there for me, or that was just a candle section for Christians. I don't know. I don't know if they're Christian based. I don't think I saw anything that said anything like that on the website. So again, James Maria Organic Co. The word organic ends in a C. Co for company starts with a C, so don't forget it's two C's.com. So there's that. Also, a friend talked me into, nobody taught me anything. We're just talking about different products that people used, and this LilyAna Naturals came up. And so I was just looking online at one of them that they showed me, and then I saw there was a set, and you know me, I have to buy the set. It just says, let you be you. Be who you are. I don't think, by the way, that just because you're non-apologetic for who you are, that means you just go off the deep end and have no morals and no character. And that is interpretive to different people. Because, for example, for me to be me, the first part of me is being a Christian, a Christ follower. So that's me. So just be who I am, be a Christ follower. To someone else, who they are is different. So, I believe because God gives us the right and the freedom to choose Him or not, that I certainly can't impose anything on someone if my God doesn't. So, But I'm just very passionate about my faith, and at least telling other people about him. And then it's up to them if they want to ask questions, and I can help and pray for them and help them getting started along a path of getting to know him actively. God will always seek you out. But anyway, so this is the set. Let me just show you. That's what it looks like, minus this one, which I've already pulled out. And this is a retinol cream. It's a retinol cream. It's high potency, hyaluronic blend. And it says triple duty beauty benefits. Our gentle retinol cream helps to reveal dewy complexion that is glowing and youthful looking, packed with antioxidants. This formula helps improve the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles. I just got the hiccups. I'm so sorry. I can't make them stop. Oh, I think I did. Sometimes if you push down real hard air-wise, push on that air pocket with your muscles, it will force it down because all it is trapped air. Okay. So it says exfoliates to brighten dull skin, improves the look of age spots, blah, 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 blah. What hyaluronic acid does and what retinol does is basically it causes a rejuvenation of the sloughing off of old dead skin cells and the coming up of new skin cells. And when you do that, when you take off the outer layer, you are slowly removing these age spots. That's why they're gone. And also just, I don't know about the color. I think it's just that you're getting that skin off and new skin can come through. Also, it brightens your skin. You don't have that dull outer skin. Improves the look of wrinkles honestly for that same reason. A lot of skin setting down in a wrinkle only sets it further. Like if you have a wrinkle on your skin, it looks like that, right? So it's a crevice on your skin, but turn it up sideways and it's a V. It's a valley. Wrinkle is a valley. So when you start putting stuff in it, guess what you do? You just widen it. You make it wider, and the more you do that over time, the more you're really just setting your wrinkles. So you don't want heavy makeup, meaning actual physically heavy. You don't want heavy creams for the same reason, because it just sits in there and just sets that wrinkle. So you don't want to do that. You want to tighten it up. You want to slough off the old skin and the old junk and make sure that you're really getting your face good and clean. So here is the second product, and it is the face cream, and it's collagen building complex made of rose and pomegranate. And it says that it's a smooth featherweight. See how they know that? They know that because maybe they know me. Face cream hydrates and melts the skin to help soften and minimize the look of aging, reducing fine lines, deeper wrinkles and rough texture, as well as nourishing dehydrated, peeling, and tight skin. And so it goes into a lot of, again, it has antioxidants, both of these. I think that's pretty much the benefit of these products all the way around, to be honest with you. But this builds collagen, this has retinol in it, and it's hyaluronic, which hyaluronic creams or acids go down and under the skin, and they kind of pooch up the water, which will fill out the wrinkles. You want pooch. Okay. Not on your belly, under your eyes. And not a big, huge pooch, which is like puffy eyes, but just in those wrinkles. And it pooches them back out. And so it sets them up. Okay, this is Anti-Aging Moisturizer Eye Cream. Rosehip and hibiscus. This is specifically for the eyes. That's why I got it. And it says it features antioxidants to help rejuvenate the eyes for bright, lifted, youthful looking eyes, infused with organic coconut oil, rosehip seed oil, hibiscus, and its anti-aging formula helps firm, delicate under eye tissue, minimizing the appearance of what? Fine lines and wrinkles. Brightens the skin tone and locks in moisture. The rosehip oil itself helps exfoliate the dead skin cells. Why can't I talk? Because I'm old and I need all this stuff. Okay, boosts collagen, reduces inflammation, evens out dark spots, and protects against sun damage. I'm trying to see how's that possible. I don't see anything about an SPF. Yeah. It says it's formulated without parabens, gluten, petroleum, phthalates, artificial colors, artificial fragrances. It expires after 12 months after you open it. It's never have and never will be tested on animals. And this is LilyAna Lily, L-I-L-Y, Anna, A-N-A, naturals.com. And last but not least, a vitamin C serum is always very, very important to your skin. It's, again, high potency, hyaluronic acid, or it says blend. And it says it will show visible changes on skin tone, boosting collagen, improving clarity, texture, and gives your skin a youthful and radiant complexion. And again, all the other stuff. Vegan, made without parabens, everything I just said. Go and look this up online. You can get the full set. I wanted to try the full set as a new face treatment. Okay? So I got the vitamin C for all over. Serum's always first. Then I do eyes. Actually, I usually like to do eyes first. I don't want anything else on my hands getting where that is but what I'm doing with the eyes. Unless you're going to wash after everything, and I'm not. So do your eyes first. Then put your vitamin C everywhere, but I would not put that under your eyes. Then I would do the I don't see any direction of the order, but I would then do the retinol cream. I think that will work well with this. They're both hyaluronic acid. I would do that next. So these two together after the eyes. And then last but not least, the face cream itself, which is a collagen building moisturizing cream. So that is all just wonderful. And I'm excited. I'm literally putting these in backwards in the box of the way that I took them out, because this is the order that I'm going to do it in. Eye cream, vitamin C serum, retinol cream, face cream. And then in my next video, I will show you the other